How to. So this video is all about taking out your headlights. So that would either be because you want to tint your lights, you might want to change your bulbs, because some of these on this can get really hard to like get your hand in the engine bay. So this video is how to obviously take your bumper off, because you have to take your bumper off and then where the 3 screws are for each headlight. I hope you enjoy it, guys, and I will see you in a minute. So first things first, we want to take off the 3 bolts that hold the headlight in. Unfortunately, you can reach the 2 at the top from like through the bumper, but the 3rd one you have to remove the bumper in order to get to. In order to remove your bumper, you need to first undo the 2 bolts in each wheel fender. If you turn your wheels to the side, it makes this job 10 times easier. After that, undo the 4 bolts at the top. Now that you've done all those, there's only 5 bolts left and they're all underneath. Once you've undone all of those, then just give it a quick pull and then it should pop right off and then you're ready to rock and roll. It's not completely necessary, but I prefer to disconnect my fog lights just to make sure there's no tension on the cables, so I know that I'm not breaking anything. And now we can access that one stupid bolt. To actually remove the headlight, you just have to pull it towards the front of the car. I found the easiest way to get the red clip off is to just bang a screwdriver behind the red piece. It should come forward and then it disconnects from the headlight. So that is everything you need to do to remove your headlights. So the original plan was I wanted to take them out and I wanted to do a blue chameleon wrap on them. The wrap actually was from Windows Tints and it was actually really good vinyl wrap. Like honestly, I can't recommend them enough, but I am awful at vinyl wrapping. Like I thought I was alright, but then honestly, I've done this and it just did not go to plan. Like there was the wrinkles and then I ended up overheating it, stretching it and then ripping it. And then I didn't have enough to do both headlights, so I cut my losses and then I just gave up and decided to turn this into a how-to video. Now that you've completed whatever you were doing, so headlight bulbs or tin, now you can reinstall your headlights. The red clips can be really fiddly, so don't lose faith. So that's got to be lined up, the little groove there and the little groove there. So they have to line up there, like that. And this goes on, like that. You push it in. Come on, please, baby. Ta-da. And now you're ready to start reinstalling. So that's just the 3 bolts to start with on each headlight, and then you just have to reinstall your bumper and you are sorted. And don't forget to reattach those fog lights if you did disconnect them, because that would not be mad. The only thing that is different to the uninstall is that to do the fender bolts, you need to click the bumper actually back in. When you see the actual bumper disconnected, you'll see where it's supposed to slot and you just pop it straight back in there and then do up the 2 fenders each side. Okay, and that concludes our episode for today, guys. So I hope you learned how to take your headlights out ready for your tint or changing your bulbs or whatever it is that you needed to do. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers guys.